Insurance companies are no doubt watching those California wildfires just as they are tallying up the impact from those recent hurricanes. And those hurricanes will likely result in big losses when the major insurers report their quarterlies. Brennan has the details.
Harvey, Irma, Maria. The three hurricanes may add up to the most costly hurricane season on record. And that means a big hit to insurers' bottom lines. Analysts warn the mounting losses from these hurricanes could wipe out a year's worth of profit for some insurance carriers.
Well, the third quarter is going to be a tough quarter for just about every insurance company. Most insurance companies we follow are looking to have most of their third quarter, if not all of their third quarter earnings wiped out. Some will have to be to a loss. There are even a few where the losses are so large that they're essentially wiping out the entire year's worth of earnings.
Factor in powerful earthquakes in Mexico, and the estimated damage to insured homes, businesses, and vehicles could top $100 billion in the third quarter. And that doesn't even include flood losses falling to the federal government. The earnings impact is expected to be so great, Wall Street now thinks insurer losses will drag down the quarterly earnings growth of the entire S&P 500. The good news? The industry is still sitting on a surplus of capital, meaning companies have enough to pay out clients and weather more catastrophes. But not without making up the difference. Travelers, which reports this week, already suspended its stock buybacks. And analysts now expect companies like Allstate, AIG, Chubb, and Progressive to consider raising premiums.
Oftentimes, following large events, particularly ones that are unusual or change how people think of the risks involved with insurance, you'll see an increase in prices. I think you'll see some of that, at least, if not more, following third quarter earnings. I think you're going to see companies raise prices for coastal areas.
Prospective hikes that could even potentially push up prices for consumers and businesses throughout the U.S. That possibility has fueled a rebound for insurance stocks ahead of results. But analysts caution, after big events, surprises are all but certain. And unfortunately, more losses from more events will be coming, including the deadly wildfires that continue to burn in Northern California. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Brennan.